Sales 101, what is it? When does it occur? Welcome back to Djji Tutorials. Let's talk about sales. Have you ever wondered what it means or when it occurs? Well, let's talk about it. Sales, in its simplest form, is the process of exchanging goods or services for money or other assets. In a business context, it encompasses all the activities involved in persuading a customer to purchase a product or service, from initial contact to the final transaction. This includes tasks like identifying potential customers, understanding their needs, presenting solutions, and closing deals. Sales is fundamentally a transaction where a buyer and seller agree on the transfer of goods or services in exchange for payment. Persuasion and relationship building. Sales professionals often need to persuade customers that their product or service is the best fit for their needs. Building relationships with customers is crucial for long-term success. Understanding customer needs. Effective sales involves actively listening to and understanding a customer's needs, concerns, and motivations. Providing solutions. Sales is not just about selling, it's also about providing solutions to customer problems and meeting their needs. Various forms of sales. Sales can take many forms, including business to business, business to consumer, direct to consumer, wholesale, retail, and online sales. A sale can be said to have occurred when a purchase is finalized and there is a transfer of ownership of goods or services in exchange for payment. This typically involves an agreement between a buyer and a seller, regardless of whether the transaction takes place online or in person. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Agreement and transfer of ownership. A sale requires both a buyer and a seller to agree on the terms of the transaction, and the buyer must receive ownership of the goods or services. Payment is usually required for a sale to be considered complete, though the specific payment method can vary. Goods or services. The sale can involve the transfer of tangible goods like a car or clothing, or intangible services, like a haircut or consulting. Business or individual. Sales can happen between businesses, like business to business, businesses and individuals, like business to customer, or even between individuals, like at a yard sale. Online or offline sales can be conducted online, like e-commerce, or in physical locations, like brick-and-mortar stores. We hope this session was useful. Please share with your classmates. See you next time.